Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to outline an image in Canva. This is such a great way to make your images pop, whether you're working on social posts, posters, or any kind of digital design. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one. Once your design is ready, click on the image you want to outline. After selecting it, look for the Edit Image button at the top. That's where all the editing tools live. Now, inside the Edit options, scroll until you see Shadows. Go ahead and click on that. Within Shadows, you'll notice a style called Outline. That's the one we're after. Click on it, and Canva will automatically apply an outline effect to your image. But we're not stopping there. On the right-hand side, you'll see controls to customize the outline. First, adjust the size slider to control how thick or thin the outline looks. Thicker outlines are bold and eye-catching, while thinner ones are more subtle. Next, try out the color option. Pick a color that matches your brand, or experiment with something contrasting to make the image stand out. Canva gives you the full palette, so you've got plenty of freedom here. Finally, use the intensity slider to decide how strong or soft you want the outline to appear. A high intensity will make it solid and vibrant, while lowering it gives you a softer, more faded edge. Once you're happy with everything, click apply and your outlined image is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully outlined an image in Canva, a simple step that instantly makes your designs look more polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.